Tonight in Washington state, the outbreak turning deadlier. At least 9 fatalities and more than 30 confirmed cases of the coronavirus. Emergency crews responding again today to the nursing home where several patients lived who later died after contracting the virus. Others are still hospitalized in critical condition. 26 firefighters who helped the sick are now off the job, many with flu-like symptoms.
Not today, coronavirus. Not today. Welcome to Campbell's Coins. I've got a big unboxing for you guys today. This time it's coming from SD Bullion. So let's get into it. They had a sale, in fact they still might have it, on the $20 Liberty Double Eagle coins, and I picked up 2 in BU condition. This is just advertising for storage and their card and shipping info, and then it's sealed up. It's a little bit difficult to navigate with these gloves, but thankfully there's that little tab to pull and tear. So SD Bullion did a really good job, because not only was it a package within a package, but then they taped it to the inside of the bag here, which is really nice. So both of these are supposed to be BU. We'll see if they are. And so they offered it as a BU random date. So this one is a 1899. Ooh, almost dropped that. 1899. I'm just gonna fix my gloves here. Only if it'll focus. What a gorgeous coin. It's a little, this one's a bit dirty on the back, a bit dingy. I'm trying to view it. I'm trying to not view it through this, my camera's lens. I don't know if that's BU. So I had emailed them after I placed the order, because each of these coins was about $14.80 a piece. And I asked them, I just said, hey, I know these are random dates. Do you mind picking out some S Mint mark ones? Because I know that they have some common date San Francisco's. And I never got a reply. And it looks like this one is. So this is an S Mint mark. And it is a 1898. So thank you for that, guys. This is a much cleaner example over the other one. The other one's just a little bit dingy on the back. So we can get this. God, I love these coins, and there's such a nice weight to them. All right, I think that's going to do it for this one. Appreciate you guys watching me go through these two packages. What do you think of these gold pieces I picked up from SD Bullion? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents.